I'm so stressed. I have a huge homework assignment due tomorrow.
Well, how can you eat an elephant? That sounds like too big of a task.
I know a place we can find out.
A company that started from very little and now ships worldwide.
We had 4 employees at that time. We made this stuff and we put the tank up on top of a counter. I was the filler. I put 1 bottle on, opened the valve, filled the bottle, closed the valve, passed it to Jack, put the cap on. He passed it to his wife. She put the label on. We passed it to his nephew and he packed it in the thing, and we did 1,000 bottles each day for 4 days in a row. We called the customer back and she said, "Oh, that was really fast. We wanted to get it done for you." She said, "You should come talk to me about a shampoo."
It's this parable of eating an elephant. How do you eat an elephant? 1 bite at a time. And do that thing well, and take that bite, swallow it down, and then get to the next bite. Because we know that we have a mammoth job to do, but we can only do it 1 bite at a time.
FMI values their employees like no other and still manages to have fun in a professional working environment.
At FMI, Fragrance Manufacturing Incorporated, they know how to eat an elephant.
All of their work is done 1 step at a time.
Now they bottle, mix, ship, brand, and everything in between. They even have a warehouse full of products. At FMI, quality is important.
My name is Christopher Lang. I'm the Product Development Formulator here at FMI. Welcome to the PD Lab.
They ensure that each product is fit for the public before its release.
At FMI, each product project is just another bite of an elephant.
My favorite part about working at FMI is being able to interact with all the customers, because I love people, so I love to be able to grow with them. So they come to us first and say, you know, we need this product, we need this produced, and so we're there from the beginning. We work with them throughout the whole process.
A job done at FMI is a job well done. You guys are right. I just need to take this homework assignment 1 step at a time.
Like eating an elephant. Yeah, and manufacturing is cool.
Thanks, FMI.